We're here in Edmonton today to ask the geese what they think about the honking ban. Hey, are you aware that you're honking and you're in violation of the city bylaws here in Edmonton? Yeah? Is that right? Do you have anything to tell the local politicians about the honking ban? Yeah, that's pretty much how everybody else feels too. Honking's stupid. Yeah. Well, thank you for coming back and brightening our lives, adding some color. You two are beautiful. Yeah, you're beautiful. Welcome back. Gonna have lots of babies this year? Yeah? Well, thank you for this interview. Anything else you two would like to say?